you taping, Nate?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Holly. Bye.
Bye, Holly.
Bye, Holly. Hi. I'm glad to
Hi.
No, you can't tape without having words.
Nate. You Anybody got a cigarette? Man, that was quick. You see how quick that was, Joe?
Yeah, that was good.
Man, how long was that? 14
You
seconds?
said I could play with your camera. Remember? Go ahead.
Uh-oh, somebody. Little bitch, man. No, they...
I was in the way. Yeah, he didn't get to. Is that
Here, you might want to turn that light on.
They had the RT, you missed it.
Man, it was quick too.
It was good. Do it again, guys.
Anybody got a cigarette?
My ears are quite actually.
Cheers. No, okay, who's next?
Oh, gee. I don't know. You just went. It's your turn to pick somebody.
Okay, I pick I gotta think of something first.
Pick a go. Give it to pick a go.
Okay, I pick Christy.
Okay, what? Yes, don't. Oh my God, I'm so very.
Okay, turn off the camera.
Don't. I'm ticklish.
No, keep that camera on.
Please.
Well, maybe we should get this on camera. Okay, I dare you. Do you have any music? Anyone have any music?
I'm not stripping for you. Nate. Hey, no, put it on channel 36.
Okay, everything.
Hold on. Put it on channel.
The under stuff.
No, up on the box on top of the TV. 36. I knew that was coming. My pants won't come off.
Okay, don't take off your pants, but you can take off your shirt.
Oh, gee, wait, because if her mom walks down here.
What?
If her mom walks down here.
Somebody keep watch. No, man, I got in that lingerie, man.
Aren't you in the bathroom? And you're admitting this on camera? So Scott and Christy go in the bathroom with the camera.
How funny would that be? With the camera?
Why with the camera?
No. We don't need the camera.
Okay, so Scott and Christy go in the bathroom. Okay. Oh, that's like a dare on its own. You could do my pee on the toilet. My pee on the toilet. Yes! Do your pee on the toilet. What? No. Wouldn't it be cool, if you were sitting there peeing and a guy had to pee and then like,
be like, man, don't miss.
Yeah, and then you're like, oh, don't miss.
No.
What are you talking about?
If you were sitting on the toilet, here's the toilet. Go ahead. Like, you guys have pee too? And like, there's there's space there. He said, pee down there. But don't miss. Don't miss. Do that. I get it. Go ahead. Stupid.
Guys, I don't want this on camera, man. I'm serious.
Are you still?
Because they don't do something stupid like you did with the last tape, except for this was an audio tape. It wasn't even cool, man.
I ain't even gonna give this tape to Abby or nothing.
I don't even know what the audio is. Wait, I don't know. Tell me. Tell me what.
You don't
No.
know.
What am I doing? I'll do it. Okay. What's
Hit
right
that little
there?
red button in the middle.
I'm not.
In the middle, like, you know, where you zoom in and zoom out? Just hit that little red button.
Put my bra on. Stuff it and. Oh, it was this bra. Alright, come on. I can do it by myself.
I get to see
I
this.
can do it by myself.
What?
We got it on camera.
What?
He's got his little lingerie.
Where'd you go? Okay, where'd you go? Look at Mike Star.
What's going on, y'all?
Get the camera ready.
No.
It's on right now, you know.
No. I will not let you do that to my sister. No.
Oh, but you'll do it to me.
Yes, because you're not my sister. You can be if you want to be, but you know.
Well, hey, he's willing to dress like your sister.
It's not fair though because we did it for Scott. So.
So that means they do it for
You
money.
got no.
That's not even cool.
I already had it on. You're not sitting there talking about it. I just put it on his up there.
That is very. Now you have to come out here and walk around.
Alright, got your ruffle. Put your ruffle down. Put my ruffle down.
Very cool. Very cool.
It's kind of big.
I'll get you on there once you take it off.
Oh, you're all stiff. Okay, I can do it.
Oh, this thing is fogging up.
Smile.
But you have bigger hooter.
Anybody got a cigarette?
Actually.
No, actually, I don't really want one.
I was fun in No! God, don't touch me there!
Whoa! I got a quarter of my pocket.
You get shit. Alright, go. That's for me to go like 5 feet. I promise.
Hey, y'all, help me get this door open here.
Why?
They're doing something weird in here. Can you hear them?
I say I gotta go. Like,
What can I get? Maggie, what can I get for 75 cents?
I'll get it all.
Hey, minus 75 cents, buddy.
I say we all pile and he